Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now it's game time, and this one is a dance battle between Nisha and no, it's a dance battle. But before we get going, we have a special guest, unbiased judge. May I present you the dance professor, Mr. Orville Hall of Dance Expression.
All right, so this is the dance battle. Let me give you the instructions now. It's a word or phrase that will come up. Oh no, hold on, may I read it wrong?
Yeah, it will come up on the screen.
It will come up on the screen, right? And then it will be inspired by a word or a phrase.
Yeah.
So we must create a dance. Right?
So we have to create a dance based on that. Whosoever turns their dance into the most awesome routine wins the game.
So it's a routine, not just a step. All right.
Yeah, not yet. It's a little thing.
Routine.
Fill it out. Good.
Yeah, routine.
No, we don't feel like on a set up paper.
It feels set up paper.
When you. See, so circle. I got two for it.
All right. All right, ready? I'm me first. I'm me first. All right, hold on. Miss Tita. Seize. Circle. Seize. Circle. Seize. Full. No, not about our name.
Whoa.
So
The violence.
We don't forget that. Stamp and go.
All right. Go on. I remember say it's stamp, not stomp. I like that still. I like it.
Oi. Una remember the dance, you know, come if you can do them.
Stamp and go.
All right, go. Stamp and go.
I like that.
Stamp and go. Nisha,
I like that. All right, I'm gonna try it. All right, man. Stamp and go.
Me ready?
Stamp and go.
Lever.
Stamp and go.
All right then.
Whoa.
I don't know dance this.
Excuse me.
I don't know dance this. We know the dancer.
It's called stamp.
All right.
Go.
All right.
Stamp.
All right.
Go.
All
Stamp. And turn around, so you see? Turn.
All right.
Ready again. Next one.
What's the next one?
All right.
No.
Also, Orville, I'm wearing heels. You hear?
Yeah, I realized that.
Heels.
You know.
Crab circle.
Crab circle.
You know what went into my brain?
What?
Wait, crab circle. All right, hold on. Crab circle. See here.
All right.
You see the crab?
All right.
That's a crab.
All right then. All right.
My turn.
All right.
Don't do it! No, wait a minute. All right, share. No props.
Hey.
It's crab circle.
Hey.
Orville!
All right.
Okay, here's my thing, Orville. You can't do this without a prop. So I think I won that.
So we're talking about creativity as well.
All right.
You get
Hot party.
Oh, we have one.
One more.
Make a comment for this. I think two of the same one.
No one.
Two of the same one. All right, rhythm. What the rhythm?
Oh, me first.
Oh, you first. All right.
Me first.
No way. All right. I'll pass it. Aye.
Hot party.
It's too long.
Hot party.
Out shoulder.
Hot party. All right. I like that little swing there. Swing there. Yeah. All right.
No. Full.
Hot party now.
Full.
Nisha.
Ready?
Hot party.
See ya.
Hot.
Walk to your head. Why are you not to the head?
Come here, eat a party. See ya.
Hot party now. Hot party now.
Where the judge?
Hot
Come judge. Tell me what I'm judge.
Please. All right. So let us look at the first move was.
What was the first
move?
The first move was
cease and settle.
Cease and settle.
So
yeah.
Cease and settle Nisha's Cease and Settle was a walk like this. It was a kind of modern walk. You get to me say? And the body was turned out.
Yeah.
Now, Duffy Cease and Settle have a kind of dancehall bounce to it.
Right.
What we did like. And actually,
this
is a move that is called easy.
Who win? Overall.
Okay,
So
Orville.
I would like to say Duffy take the round there. See him? No.
Oh, that round there?
The round.
Next one.
Next one we go now. All right.
Stamp and go.
Stamp and go.
Yeah.
Duffy, you see this?
Yeah.
You see this?
Yeah.
And they can stamp and they go.
Yeah.
Nisha, you did a little bit too proper. Just a little bit too proper. So that's a two. Duffy.
Crab circle.
You're gone with crab circle.
Allah.
So you go props. You get what I say? No. What I like was Nisha movement like a crab.
Yeah.
And she did make a circle.
Yeah.
See?
But we got with it.
But if you go for the hilarity,
I feel like some biasness there.
See?
And the last one though.
And the last one now.
Yeah.
The last one.
What's the last one?
What the last one name?
The first one.
No.
Hot patty.
Hot patty a year one.
Oh, she can get that.
I don't want it.
No, you give me the hot patty.
I don't want
You
it.
really
Take
give me
a patty.
Me don't
Don't win overall.
Duffy, brother, you're going to about 3. So the round goes to
John
Duffy.
You can't give anything rhythm for the outro, make Villa freestyle. What rhythm for the outro? Give us some, anything. Let's give us any rhythm.
Any rhythm?
We'll move this. Come on, so
Orville, I don't like you again.
No, me love you.
Me don't like you again, Orville.
Yeah, whole pattern.
So make the
Where's some mango? What I want there? Hey. Pepper.